Good morning, students. Today we are continuing this chapter. Yesterday we have discussed the distribution of minerals. Today we are discussing about the world distribution of these minerals. China and India have large iron ore deposit. The continent produces more than half of the world tin. In this map, figure 3.5, the world distribution of iron, copper and bauxite has been shown in different symbols. See, China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world leading tin producer. China also lead in production of lead. Asia also the deposit of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. Next, Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposit of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine and France. Mineral deposit of copper, lead, zinc, manganese and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. Next, North America. The mineral deposit in North America are located in three zones. The Canadian region north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region and the mountain range of the west. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium and copper are mined in this region. Coal Coal is in the Appalachian region. Western Corrientes have vast deposit of copper, lead, zinc, gold and silver. So in this figure 3.6, here also the same different symbol has been located where the distribution of these minerals are especially oil and coal. Next we will discuss about the South America. In South America, Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore in the world and leading producer of copper. Brazil are among the world largest producer of tin. South America also has the largest deposit of gold, silver, zinc, manganese, mica, platinum, diamond, etc. Mineral oil is found in this region. Now Africa. Africa is rich in mineral resources. It is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe and Zaire produce a large portion of the world gold. The other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, etc. All is found in Niagara places. Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is the leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc and manganese. Area of Western Australia have the largest deposit of gold. Antarctica. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of mineral deposits. Some probably large, significant size of deposit of coal in this mountain and iron near the Prince Charles Mountain of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver and oil are present in commercial quantities. Now in India, distribution in India, iron. India has deposited a high grade iron ore. The mineral is found mainly in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Bauxite. Major bauxite producer area are Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Mica deposits mainly occur in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. And India is the largest producer and exporter of mica in the world. Copper, it is mainly produced in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next, manganese. India manganese deposit lie in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Limestone. Major limestone producing states of India are Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Next, gold. Kolar in Karnataka has deposit of gold in India. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which make mining of these ore a very expensive process. Next, salt. It is obtained from sea, lake and rocks. India is one of the world leading producer and exporter of salt. In the figure 3.8, it has been seen see extraction of salt from Sambar Lake in Rajasthan. See how the limestone is squaring, figure 3.7. In the next class, we will discuss about the uses of minerals.